guys, and welcome back for another video. Today I have some really exciting news. I am releasing my very first digital online course called the Bag Making Basics course. Now, what is this course all about? This course is all about learning how to make bags, but starting from the very beginning. So whether you're a new sewist or you have a little bit of knowledge, or maybe you have been a quilter this whole time, this is going to take you from the very beginning, and we're going to learn everything about bag making from the ground up. So the thing about bag making is that it's the type of niche that you can really have fun and customize your bag projects. What that means is if you buy a bag pattern, if you don't like the different aspects of the bag, if you have the knowledge to be able to change things, then you can really make your most perfect bag. I find the bag maker is usually somebody who likes to troubleshoot, experiment, and design while they're making their bag. We're going to start off with 3 different types of bags and 4 different styles of zipper installation. The first style of bag we're going to be making is, of course, the OG simple standard zipper pouch. We have them in many different sizes, which all of the pattern and measurements will be included in this course, so you can make so many bags. It's going to be so much fun. But of course, we're going to make the standard zipper pouch, and we're going to learn 3 different styles of zippers so we can really customize our simple zipper pouch. We have the standard zipper, which is pretty typical for most standard pouches you'll find at the store. We have the unfinished tab zipper. It has a adorable little detail on either side, and it gets sewn right into the bag. We also have the finished tab zipper, and then on this side, the zipper actually veers into the fabric to give you a nice wide opening on the one end. This also adds a fun little detail or pop of contrasting color. Now we'll have 5 different sizes of zipper pouches, so you can make these for days after you're done this course. From there, we're going to learn how to make the boxed bottom pouch. Now this is an ideal pouch for toiletries and accessories or sewing notions. It sits on your tabletop surface. And then we learn the 4th style of zipper with the fun little tab here that helps you to close your pouch. Another great reason we have this zipper is it also allows your bag to open really wide so you're able to see the contents of your pouch. All the zippers in this course, though, are all interchangeable, and you can use them for any of the pouches. This fun pouch is available in 3 sizes and also will be provided within the course. Once we've mastered the box bottom pouch, then we're going to move on to the box pouch. This is a classic and one that is a little bit more challenging and advanced, but with all the techniques that we've learned, this one will be super easy to create. I love a good box pouch because it's great for toiletries and travel. You can make them in so many different sizes for so many different uses. And we have 3 sizes that will also be provided within the course. I have the large, a pencil case version, and then also a small accessories pouch. Now, as you see, this course has a lot of value, and you're going to be making so many pouches when you're done. So all you're going to need to get started in this course is cotton fabric, medium weight interfacing, some zipper by the yard, and also a sewing machine. You will not need an industrial sewing machine to get started with bag making, and we're going to talk a lot more about that in the course as well. And we'll also do a deep dive in the different types of zippers. So if you are new to zipper by the yard, you're going to learn all about it in this course. So I hope this piques your interest, and if you've been wanting to get into bag making and just didn't know where to begin, I hope that you give it a try. If you have any questions regarding the course, don't hesitate to comment down below or drop me a DM over on Instagram, which all those links will also still be in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you give my course a try, and I will see you in the Bag Making Basics course. Bye guys.